Welcome to the Multibagger Stock Screener by Stock Investor IQ. In this video, we'll guide you through using this powerful tool to identify stocks with the potential to multiply your investment 100-fold, based on the principles outlined in Chris Mayer's book, 100 Baggers. With coverage of over 25,000 global stocks, you can discover potential multi-bagger opportunities from markets worldwide. To start, you can customize the screener settings to match your investment preferences. Use the drop-down menus to select the exchange region, sector, industry, and market capitalization range you're interested in. Let's select United States as the exchange region. The screener also covers various other regions across the world. You can also choose to screen stocks based on 5-year or 10-year growth rates. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use 10-year growth rates. Next, adjust the sliders to set your desired criteria for each metric. The default settings are revenue growth, greater than 10% per annum over the last 10 years. Earnings per share growth, greater than 15% per annum over the last 10 years. Cash conversion ratio, greater than 80% on average over the last 10 years. Return on invested capital, greater than 15% per annum over the last 10 years. Payout ratio calculated as dividends divided by free cash flow, less than 25%. Interest coverage ratio, greater than 10. Price to earnings ratio adjusted for research and development expenses, less than 30. Price earnings to growth ratio using 10-year historical growth, less than 1. Discount to fair value using historical free cash flow growth, greater than 30%. These metrics help identify companies with strong revenue growth, high returns on capital, reasonable valuations, and a commitment to reinvesting profits back into the business. The price earnings to growth ratio and discount to fair value metrics also help gauge whether the stock is attractively valued relative to its growth prospects. Feel free to adjust the settings according to your own strategy. For example, let's change the price earnings to growth ratio to 1.5 to include a broader range of potential multi-bagger stocks. You can either use the slider or type the number directly. For a refresher on these financial metrics, refer to our comprehensive stock investing glossary available on the website. After setting your criteria, the screener will display a list of stocks that meet your multi-bagger requirements. The number of stocks found is displayed in the top right corner, along with a pie chart showing the sector composition of the results. By default, the results are sorted by market capitalization in US dollars, but you can easily sort by any other metric. For example, let's click on the Return on Invested Capital column header to sort the stocks based on their capital efficiency over the last 10 years. Remember, the screener is just the first step in the multi-bagger stock selection process. Once you've identified potential high-quality multi-bagger stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence. Use our stock metrics page to access in-depth financial data and our reverse discounted cash flow calculator to uncover the growth expectations embedded in the stock's current price. So there you have it. The Multibagger Stock Screener is a powerful tool for uncovering stocks that have the potential to multiply your investment 100-fold based on the principles of strong revenue growth, high returns on capital, and attractive valuations. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your own research before making any decisions. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out using the contact form on our website. Start your journey to identifying the market's next 100 baggers today at stockinvestoriq.com. If you found this multi-bagger stock screener tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable investing insights and tools.